Welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you and welcome back. In today's video, I thought that I would share with you guys the pack with me, y'all. Okay, so we're going on a trip the kids know nothing about. They know about it, but they don't know where we're going. So I am going to be packing. I have to really figure out in my mind when we're telling them, but I'm packing ahead of time. And so we leave for our trip next week, just for a night. And so we're spending 24 hours. Yeah, we're just spending 24 hours away. Can't tell y'all because my kids are listening. But anyways, we're going to jump right into it. I need to find my bag that I just bought last month. Well, I can't say find my bag because I clearly bought all 6 of them, but I just need to grab my bag so that you guys can pack with me. I found it. So these are the Espen bags that I had bought last month. These are the ones that have like the floral design. This one honestly is the gym bag because you have space in the front to put like a yoga mat through, but this is enough space for me to use for just one night. All right, y'all, so I have mapped everything out of what I am packing for just one night. Like I said, y'all, the bag, really good space for me to put everything in, and especially for one night, you don't need much. So of course, since we're staying one night, I am throwing in some pajamas. I'm just simply going to use my Golden Girls and my shirt that I got that matches these. It's just a shirt that I bought. I bought it in case my mom wanted it, but that's the school that she went to for high school. Like I said, I just thought that maybe I should, you know, get it. But I'm gonna pack it, wear it that night, because I remember last year, or not last year, but anyways, I just remember, like, I'm the type of person, when I stay at hotels, I sometimes tend to get cold, and I want to be warm, and I'd rather be warm than cold. Alright, so I'm packing some undies and some socks, just one pair. I'm packing in some whipped shea butter here, just to have for when I get out the shower. Got some sanitizer, warm vanilla sugar, just like I said, something to have. I have a rechargeable battery because we'll be doing some things and my battery might go low, which it won't because I have the iPhone 16 and the battery like stays really well. What I'm going to be using is the Tiana collection. The reason why I'm using this instead of anything else is because I can use this and so can Sky. So I bought her one, but what's the use of both of us bringing one? So I'm just going to bring mine and she can use mine. She can use my spray and I have the lotion. So this is the Disney Princess collection from Bath & Body Works. This is the Tiana one. So it's the Bayou. I chose this one just because this is something that I probably would not use every single day, but I was like, why not go ahead and use Tiana for this one time, especially when, honestly, when I buy them, I wait to use them. So I have some outfits picked out. I have to figure out which outfit I'm going to wear the way there and then the next day for whatever we do. I do always pack a washcloth just because I like my own washcloths. I picked out some black pants because I don't want to do sweatpants. Like I do want to look presentable, right? But at the same time, I just picked out my little black pants. I wear these to work every week. I alternate pants like crazy. So anyways, I'm packing a pair of black pants to wear the next day. Now here comes the problem, right? So I got these 2 nice shirts. This is a sweatshirt that I got off of Ill Currency, and then this is a shirt long sleeve that I got off of Amazon. My thing is they both match the pair of shoes that I want to wear this day, but they also are going to be what I'm going to pack for vacation as well. So Charles got me the Nike SB Dunk Low Pros in a 7.5 in men's, right? So I do have black and I do have blue shoestrings that I can use. I honestly will stick with the blue just because I do want to add it in there, and I can always buy shirts with that. But I am using these, right? So I have this shirt to go with it, and then I also have the safari shirt that goes with it that they, you know, put on the website that goes with these shoes. So like I said, I don't know which one I want to wear for the next day, but I think in order just to be comfortable, I think I'm gonna wear this one on the way down, and then I'm gonna wear the other one on the way back. So I'm gonna pack this one up inside of the bag, and I can always throw on like a black shirt underneath of it, just to, you know, like take off the sweater but still have it match the shoes. So next, I just picked up an orange clip. So the orange is simply because the shoe on the inside is orange. It's not the same color, but it's close. In case I ever want to put my hair up, I do have that. If I choose to keep it down and like straighten it while I'm there, or if my hair is straight while I leave, I have this little white headband, and I got those off of, I think, Temu. So also to go with the shoes, I was going to do these, but then y'all look at these. Look at those and compare it to the shoe. It's not like it. So I decided to go with the little photography camera earrings that I got off of Temu. I'm just going to put that down in my bag as earrings to wear. I probably will pick some different earrings to wear with the shirt on the way there, but at least I'm trying, right? So only thing left for me to do, honestly, is to throw in the charger for my phone, and then I'm not bringing my computer because it's only for one night, and I'm gonna basically be I guess vlogging for my camera, but then also vlogging for my phone. So there will be quite a few different videos that come along with this trip, such as 24 hours in where we're going, things that you guys can do with your kids at this place, and then of course I will have a room tour and a hotel tour together. And then also there is 2 different main things that we're going to do that'll probably be 2 different videos for people to see. Now, I can't remember what else it is I feel like I'm missing. I feel like I'm missing some more things. I don't really need anything for my hair because I probably will straighten it before we go. But like, y'all, look at the bag. It's not heavy at all. Literally, I can throw this on my shoulder. I don't know. Alright, y'all, I knew I was forgetting something. Literally, like, I didn't take anything to wash my face with. So I have the Ambi Cocoa Butter Cleansing Bar that you guys see here. Packing that. I was like, what if what if my hair is curly, or if it's straightened and then something like it rains or something. I have my straightener in here. Also, what I really love is the fact that I found this at Belk a couple years ago. I have a Kim Rogers cheetah raincoat that I can easily pair with the shoes. It goes, honestly, I pair it with any type of cheetah. And the only other thing that I need in here, honestly, is a bra and to pack in my chargers. So the bra, definitely, I can go find one real quick to throw in here. Other than that, my charger, that's going to have to wait. And then I'll probably bring my book. So yeah, I'll bring my book. This one is My Fault. This is the series from Amazon Prime that you guys can watch. It's actually in a different language. It's in Spanish. So it's called Kula. It's different ones because it's My Fault, Your Fault, Our Fault. So if you guys are looking for a good read, this is definitely one that I would suggest. I am definitely loving this book. So I'm going to pack this too because I really want to continue reading that book. Also, that just reminds me, I need to put deodorant in here. Deodorant. So I have the Suave Coconut Kiss. That one's not even open yet, but it is what it is. Never can have them not opened. What I do probably want to do is also put in here my chargers for my camera. I'm gonna need my batteries, right? I do wanna vlog. So what I can do is like bring everything over from my camera over to my phone, because I have the USB-C reader where I can just take it out of my camera and then basically put it into my phone. So y'all, we've been waiting for this time for a long time. We've actually planned this about 2 months ago. I thought about this and I was just like, listen, we got to do this. And the kids keep asking every day, like, where are we going? Where are we going? And they have no idea. So I did make them pack a bag. I don't know if we're going to tell them today. I don't know if we're going to tell them, you know, next week sometime. But the good thing is we just have to get through 4 days next week of school, and then we're out, and then our spring break officially starts the afternoon that I get off next Thursday. So I will catch you guys in the next vlog. I hope that you all have enjoyed packing with me just for a night, because clearly you don't have to pack a whole bunch of stuff just for one night. And the one thing I love is that regardless of what I put in here, it's still light. It's literally going to be enough for me to put in the rental for us to go, and anything that I need to honestly throw in at the last minute could go up front in this pocket here. Remind you guys, if I wanted to work out, I could put a yoga mat in here. But they do have a fitness center at the hotel, and they also have a pool, but the pool kind of goes from like 3 to 7 feet, and I don't play about that with my kids. So swimming lessons need to happen for sure. I know I had them when I was their age. They need to have them. I think honestly everyone needs to have them just in case. But anyways, I will check in with you guys in the next vlog, which the next vlog from here is simply just going to be you know, traveling. So I'll catch you guys there.